So this plant is a Dwarf Yaupon Holly, and you might not recognize this because usually these plants are uh, trimmed into really tight balls, and they almost look like beach balls. They don't have to be trimmed, but the other thing to keep in mind when you put these in is take a look at the scale. This plant is probably a good 4 feet tall, and people kind of forget or don't realize just how tall these get, and it takes a lot of trimming to keep them down into the 2-foot size, the beach balls that we normally see these trimmed into. They look really nice when they're trimmed that way. It's a very formal look, but if you're looking for a low maintenance plant, this can be it, but you need to allow for it to get about 3 or 4 feet tall. It's a great plant, very hardy. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also subscribe to our quick tip emails. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.